वो था 2017 जब एलॉन मस्क ने बोला था at a meeting of the National Governors Association, Elon Musk opened that the scariest problem is artificial intelligence, an invention that could possess an unappreciated fundamental existential risk of human civilization. And fast forward to 2022, the world is introduced to Dall E 2. As their website says, Dall E 2 is a new AI system that can create realistic images and art from a description in natural language. Now, if you want to know what exactly is Dall E 2 and how it works, here is the link to the video which will also be linked down in the description. You can go check it out because in this video Dall E 2, how it works and what it is beautifully explained by the people from OpenAI itself. So go check it out. But this video is about threats of AI to us as humans and our jobs. Artificial intelligence sounds intimidating, a lot more than it actually is. AI at its broad definition is a machine that can act using human style reasoning or perception, and humans since our existence have long worked towards creating machines and technologies that have revolutionized how we do things. For example, from round wheels we have evolved to fully electronic vehicles, and humans have evolved to make things and technologies which makes our life and our jobs a little bit easier. So you must ask, will this Dall E 2 by OpenAI will replace graphic designer and all the designer jobs in this world? The answer is definitely yes. It will replace the job of a designer of today but not the designers for tomorrow. Because आपको क्या लगता है, AI आ गया तो पूरी दुनिया में graphic designers और creative people की job खत्म, मतलब सब कुछ AI को दे दे and that's done? No, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Because we humans are such a complex machine that it is very hard for us to understand how we ourselves actually work and how our neurons, receptors and what all things work inside of us, which gives us this perception of the world which we have and which you are seeing right now. That includes our intelligence, our reasoning, our perception of the world, how we see things and how we interpret things, how our thinking process works, which all is very hard to understand. And as it is very hard for us ourselves to understand how we actually work, how can we input that thing into the algorithms of the artificial intelligence? So all the machines which the humans have made till now is in partnership with an actual human by its size. For example, the autopilot of an airplane, it can even land in zero visibility where humans can't see a thing. The autopilot will land the aircraft safely. But at the end of the day, as it is a machine, not a human, the government has not allowed fully automated landings without the human perception. The pilot needs to be there in the cockpit even while the plane is landing on fully autopilot or it is flying on fully automated. So the partnership of the machine and the technology with us human was always there, and it will always be there. Introduction of artificial intelligence and systems such as Dall E 2 will not replace human jobs or graphic designers' job. They both will come in partnership. What will happen when the graphic designer and systems by OpenAI such as Dall E 2 for graphic designers and creative people will come together? What will happen is they will have a design partner and a tool that designers can use to meet the ever-evolving workplace demands. To design a very creative image, a graphic designer may take 4 hours, but the Dall E 2 system or artificial intelligence softwares may just use 5 seconds. तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं होने वाला है कि सारी graphic designing job सिर्फ इसके ऊपर चली जाएगी. That will मतलब काम बांटने से बढ़ता है. So humans will evolve from creators to curators. They will curate the things based on the recent trends. They need to feed the data into the algorithm. उसके बाद ही हम कुछ artificial intelligence में हमें कुछ feed करना पड़ेगा, तभी तो वो अपने intelligent software के through उसमें जो data save हुआ है उससे सीख पाएगी. Without that, they are nothing. So the role of the humans or the graphic designers for tomorrow will be, instead of creators, they will be the curators for the artificial intelligence system. End power will always lie with us as humans because we have created those machines. We can't let them take over us. We will always be in front of them. We will see the recent trends in the market, the recent trends and designs and tastes of the people, what the market demand is, and according to that we can alter, change and feed the data into the system, into the artificial intelligence, which can generate an output for which the machine was designed. So I hope you understood that artificial intelligence, not just Dall E 2 or OpenAI or any artificial intelligence softwares which are to come, they will not replace completely, but the humans and the machines have always been in partnership since our existence. But if we see the history, the machines and the humans have come together as partners to evolve into much greater things. The same is what we hope for artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence will not just completely remove human existence. Artificial intelligence and humans can come together to create even greater, more reliable, more fast product. So if you were able to get any value out of this video, do hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.